You've been diving into the world of crypto, right? Maybe you've bought a little Bitcoin, Ethereum, or maybe even dabbled in some of those meme coins. And you're using Coinbase, which is great. But have you ever wondered, is my Coinbase account really fully verified? I mean, let's be honest, Coinbase can be a bit cryptic about this whole verification thing. You upload a photo ID, maybe a selfie, and then, nothing. Days turn into weeks, and you're left staring at your account wondering if you're good to go. Well, today we're cutting through the crypto confusion and giving you the lowdown on Coinbase verification. So, how do you know if your Coinbase is fully verified? Let's break it down. First things first, why does verification even matter? Well, it's like showing your ID to get into a club. Coinbase needs to make sure you're a real person to protect you from fraudsters and to comply with those pesky financial regulations. Plus, a fully verified account usually comes with perks like higher withdrawal limits and access to more features. Now, there are generally 3 verification levels on Coinbase. Basic, this is the starting point. You can buy and sell crypto, but there are limits on how much you can do. Intermediate, you've verified your identity with a government-issued ID. You can usually buy and sell more crypto, but there might still be some restrictions. Full, this is the VIP status of Coinbase. You've gone through all the hoops, including potentially verifying your address and income. You can usually do everything the platform offers without limitations. But how do you actually know which level you're at? Well, there's no fancy badge or trophy. The best way to check is to look at the limits on your account. Withdrawal limits. If you see low limits on how much you can withdraw, you're probably not fully verified. Buy-sell limits. Similar to withdrawal limits, if you're constantly hitting roadblocks when buying or selling crypto, you might need to verify further. Account features. Some features, like Coinbase Earn or certain trading options, might be locked until you're fully verified. If you're unsure, the easiest thing to do is to go to your account settings and look for any prompts to verify more information. Coinbase is usually pretty good about letting you know if you need to take the next step. Now, what if you've done everything, uploaded all the documents, and it's been weeks? Well, Coinbase can be a bit slow sometimes. You can try contacting their support. They might be able to give you an update or help you troubleshoot any issues. But remember, patience is a virtue in the crypto world. It might take a little longer than you'd like, but eventually, you should get there. So, there you have it. Coinbase verification can be a bit of a maze, but with this guide, you should be able to figure out where you stand. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy trading.